My bike's a little bit crippled, just like me. We're so perfect together. How is it that now that I've started riding a death machine all the time, I get hurt all the time? I don't really see how those correspond. Like, you are supposed to be a 400cc. This is your problem, not mine. This is your fault. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. I've decided I just need to get better at riding. That's the bottom line. This bump... Oh, wait, I got a broken pinky. See, this is like building my toothless Hiccup arc, okay? This is toothless. He's a little fucked up, except for there's no tail damage, and I just fucked up my hand. So, cue the How to Train Your Dragon music. Oh shit, you're the pop? Pop, 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 pop. That was a bike.